The question asks me to prove that I can work on booleans, if else, then build modules and dazzle with my initiative. So I'm going to create a new cell like this. So I can make it a markdown. I can just write boolean. Let's make it a markdown like this. Like this. Then I run it. So I can make a comment inside this cell now and say, okay, boolean operation. So since boolean deals with true or false, I can say is student is equals to true, and I can say as Python experience, just like a variable name, Python experience, can say false. Then you can print the two statements. You can say, okay, logic, can make a comment again, logical and say print is student. Since student is like a variable name holding true, and as underscore Python underscore experience is also a variable name holding false. So I can print another logical or. So logical or. So if I'm printing and, that means I'm saying print is student and Python experience. So definitely is going to print out false. So here is going to be, I can just make a comment here just to show that, okay, the output is going to be false. Then if I'm printing logical or, which is an AND operation, if I'm printing logical or, I can say print is underscore student or as underscore Python underscore experience. That's true. So it's going to print out true since it's an logical or, so true. So if I'm saying logical not, can say print not students. So definitely this is also going to be false. So I can run this code now. So this is the output. So if your statement is like a conditional statement, so I can say, I can make a markdown also and say if elif, so I can make a markdown. So I can say def function, because def functions allow me to insert something, more like I'm sending it to do something for me and it's going to bring out an output. So I can say def, can give it what to do, maybe classify, let's say classify underscore Python underscore skill. So I can give you what to do. Then I can create my if statement, if level, let's say if level is greater than or equals to let's say 9, okay, then I can say it should return a result. So def function allows you to return a result, send something and return a result. Return let's say experts Python developer. So this is a string that holds the output of what is meant to return. Then I can create, okay, if it does not print out that expert Python, then elif, that is if it does not meet that requirement. So let's say if level is greater than or equals to 5, for instance, I can say return intermediate Python developer. Then I can still continue and say, okay, my if else statement, I can say elif again. So elif level is great, or let's say greater or equals to 2, I can say should return another result. So return, say return beginner Python developer. Then the host, you can still take another so if all of these results are not there, there should be something like else. What should it tell me? Else so it's going to return an output again, return start learning Python. So I can do like start learning Python today. Then I can print my results since I'm sending a def function. So I can just say print class cify underscore Python, which is why I sent to do something for me underscore skill. This is skill, okay. Compare skill. Let's give it an output of maybe 6. So it should give me a result. So it's within the range of 5. So it's meant to give me something that relates to, okay, intermediate Python developer. Then the next one is build modules. So I can make a markdown also. Build modules. So I can make a markdown here. So I can take a def function again that grades let's say grades name. So def function definitely it must return a result. So return so this allows me to enter a word. So hello. So name. So I can say maybe welcome to Python or so. So welcome to Python. Then another def function, since I'm just building modules, so def function can come in again. Def function is even, so enter a number. If the number is even, so I can say return num okay equals to, so if you are returning, this is returning an even number, so any number that I'm entering, it is going to tell whether it's an even number or it is not an even number. Then the last one, which is dazzle, so I can just create another cell, so markdown, so I can say dazzle So that does, I can say okay, import array. This allows it to accept what I want to do. So if I'm saying creating a def function now that checks password, let's see, password. We want to check the length of the password. So I'm checking the length. I can say len, so checking the length. Okay, password. So if the password is greater or equals to 8, what should happen? So you can say as upper, so it must have upper number. So boolean is telling that okay, is it true? Then this array will be able to search through internet. So search so A to Z, then password. So same procedure for if it is lower, so then just make it very easy. I can change this to lower, make it very easy. So I can just, if it is lower, so I just change this to small letter, just make small a and small z. So for digits, so if it is digits, so just make it very easy, digits. So I can just change this to, since it's digits, okay, just make it like this. Then is a special character, so you can say special, this at and so special. You can just say it is let's say at dollar sign percentage star, or again string mark, and so stick that. So after all of this, you can say if all, okay, if all the lengths alien, for the length as upper, so I'm giving an if function to do something. So if all the length as upper, as lower, as digit, as character, as special, sorry, special, so it's going to return that okay, is a strong password, so strong password. So there's, so if it does not do so, else length, let's say length th, and as let's say just upper, or as lower, and as digit. So ask digit, okay, so it should return an output of what, let me just check the code very well. So else length, oh sorry, let's say elif. I feel like this is where I'm wrong. Elif, let's see. Okay, should return a result, should return that moderate password. So moderate password. So if it's neither of the two, then you can say else. What should else do? Return, should return something, return maybe let's say weak password, or let's say not strong password. Then I can easily say that I want to print check, let's go password, then I'll enter the password I want to check. Let's say I want to check for instance, let's say Python 123, let's say this and I also want to check maybe print check underscore password, let's say hello. So let's see, okay, so this is going to tell me, okay, this is a weak password. Okay, for moderate, okay, you can tell me is a moderate password, this is a weak password. So let's see, for instance, I take another, let's say I say print, for instance I say check this called password, let's say this capital letter, then we have Python, then I have maybe this, then I have 123, then I have this. So let's say, so yeah, it's going to tell me it's a strong password. So that's what I'm trying to do. That's all.